Hey guys, good morning. So today we are experiencing some summer-like weather. It's in the 80s. And we all ask for it, right? When we're suffering in the wintertime, we kind of say, I can't wait till it's summertime. Well, it's here. Some people, because it's in the 80s, they're constantly running towards air conditioning because they feel like they're overheating, they're sweating. So they run to the car for air conditioning, into the building, into their home, just looking for air conditioning. Now, what I'm about to say next, I'm not talking shit. I'm not being personal trainer like. That's what I used to do. I was a personal trainer for many years, and I was kind of rough around the edges with the way I delivered messages, such as someone would say, "Oh my God, it's hot out." I'd say, "Well, stop eating pizza, cake, and ice cream, and stick with your exercises. You'll lose some weight, and you'll be able to handle the conditions that are outside." That's how I used to be. That's how some trainers are. And that's not the right way to communicate. So as I've aged, I'm delivering the message a little better. So just wanted to get that out the way. I'm going to draw a parallel between cars and people. So our cars, when the winter's approaching, we know there's going to be frozen rain or snow or whatever. We make sure our vehicles are ready for that. So we'll check our tires, make sure the tread's good, our windshield wipers, windshield fluid, so when the salt gets on the window, we can get it off. Then in the summertime, change seasons, we kind of make sure that our cooling systems are right. We make sure our air conditioning's charged. We have coolant in our cars so they don't overheat. So we just take different precautions depending on the seasons. When it comes to our bodies, we, no matter what, if it's hot outside, cold, a nice middle temperature, we have to go out and do our mandatory obligations no matter what. So how about we make sure our bodies are ready? Let's put it that way. We put so much emphasis on disposable items like a car. We keep it clean. We do the service when it needs it, but our bodies, we're kind of just like, whatever. Fuel for a car. Your car says it takes 87, 89, premium, whatever. We make sure we do that. It takes synthetic oil. We make sure it does that. When it comes to us, I'm hungry. I'm going to have a snack. I'm going to eat some Doritos, or I'm going to eat some of the things I mentioned before, pizza, ice cream. These don't do well in the body. So our bodies are forever, not for, well, we're not going to get into all that. Our bodies are with us for as long as we're conscious, I'll put it that way. So we have to, this is what we're living in. We're not getting another one. So these cars, we get different cars, but we make sure we have them ready for the seasons. We put the right gas in there. So let's do that with our bodies. So when the summer hits, and this is just a fact of the matter, if you have extra weight on your body, you have to work harder to move around. Or even if you don't have extra weight on your body, you're out of shape, you're deconditioned. So when you got to move around, you're not moving around efficiently, so you feel hot and you feel like the heat might kill you. So just take these things into consideration, that what we pay attention to, that we follow the rules of, and how we should even more do so for our bodies. So there's no exact thing that you should eat, but we all have make up something new. We have a food intake conscience. So when we're eating something that we're not supposed to, or we're eating too much of something, let that kick in. It's part of your body's maintenance. Or if we skip a workout or don't work out at all, that'll be your exercise conscience. Let that kick in and say, hey, I gotta get moving. Now, we all can't make it to the gym or these perfect places to exercise, but no matter where you are, and especially at home, a workout can be done. So I'm gonna be making some short videos of bodyweight exercise that you can do right in your house in your downtime, instead of working your thumb out looking at Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, whatever you look at. Or maybe you can do that at the same time. Maybe I'll make videos where you can keep your phone in your hand and still do the exercise, because there are some exercises that are that simple. So with all that being said, let's take care of ourselves. Let's not run from the heat, or put ourselves in situations where we have to run from the heat. And when you take care of yourself, you handle the heat better. If you do exercises in this kind of temperature, guess what? You're gonna be sweaty, it's gonna be hard, But when you're just doing normal daily activities in this temperature, it's not going to be a big deal because you are exercising in this. So you push back your threshold of how you handle heat. So when you're doing your normal daily operations in 80, 90 degrees, it's going to be no big deal because you are exercising in it. So you're kind of like just stretching the abilities of what you can do in different environments. So 5-minute video, I thought I was going to be able to get this all out in 2 minutes, but what can you do? Have a good day.